81-year-old Ciro Garofano has been sentenced to life in prison with no chance of parole for 18 years after pleading guilty to second-degree murder. It will be served concurrently with 10-year sentences for 2 counts of aggravated assault in a case the judge described as horrific, brutal, and senseless. Ciro Garofano attacked 3 members of the same family on November 15, 2023, deliberately driving his vehicle towards his former common-law spouse's niece, 61-year-old Karen Montague, as well as Montague's husband Wayne and sister Joyce Collins. All 3 were struck, but Karen Montague, a retired special education teacher, was killed. The collision happened outside the apartment where Garofano had lived with his partner Elsie Gilchrist for more than 40 years. 4 months earlier, Gilchrist died, and Karen Montague was named the beneficiary in her will. Mr. Garofano was not. On that tragic day, Garofano invited the Montagues, Collins and her daughter Eileen McNarty, to pick up Gilchrist's belongings. And as the family exited the apartment, Garofano, who was sitting in his car on the building's roundabout, drove directly at them from behind. McNarty, who witnessed all 3, including her 88-year-old mother, being run over, told court in her victim impact statement, "I can't unsee what happened. I can't forget my mother lying face down, not knowing if she was okay, and moving her out of the way, feeling helpless, seeing my cousin being run over multiple times, and the sound of my own voice screaming for help." The Crown had asked for a parole ineligibility period between 22 and 23 years, while defense suggested 16 years was more appropriate. In arriving at 18 years, the judge took into account the facts, the impact of the offense, Garofano's guilty plea, his age, his dated criminal record, and the harsh conditions of his pre-sentence custody at the Toronto South Detention Centre. Garofano has been behind bars since he was 79 years old at the time of the offense, meaning he will not be eligible for parole until he is 97 years old. Catherine McDonald, Global News.